Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a really quick video on a simpler layout for building Raven's Workshop. So I just wanted to show you, it's a 7x7 square using the 16x16 foundation pieces. But I've just alternated them to show you that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I left the opening here for the sheep. And then over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to come out and do this little 2x2 square for the side tower of Raven's Workshop. But it looks much nicer if you can, let's say, you know, get rid of this and replace it with now this would be one of the let's see, this would be one of the side pieces. So you'd go like this and then you'd rotate it. So it gives you that nice side border. And then this one, do I have enough granite? I don't even know. This one would be the corner piece. And you could either use the rounded corner or the square corner. I mean, that's up to you, and then you just rotate it around. And then you would just fill in the rest of the foundation like this. So yeah. All right, it is the next morning, and I went and got a couple stacks of granite. And so let's fill in the full foundation for Raven's Workshop. There we go. There is your finished Raven's Workshop foundation. And now the rest of my tutorial is pretty much the same, so you can go to my previous video and build the rest of Raven's Workshop. See ya!